Hello and welcome to another tutorial session. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to update your signatures in Outlook. Now, the first thing you want to do is ensure you already have an account, and you can ensure that by getting yourself properly signed in or properly logged in. Now, you can create a free account on Microsoft Outlook homepage or web page by clicking on this particular button over here. And when you do, you just have to get yourself signed in by inserting your password, email address, phone numbers, date of birth, and every other necessary credential or information they will require of you. You can also do well to enable two-factor authentication to ensure that you're properly signed in, and when you do, it will open you up to this page that is your Microsoft Outlook page. Now, on how to update signatures in Outlook. A signature in Outlook is very important for several reasons, both for professional reasons and practical. Now, signatures on Outlook is important for professionalism and branding, to also ensure recipients have easy access to your phone number, email address, website, or any other official address or information that you have without having to ask. It helps for consistency across communication. It helps for legal and compliance purposes, marketing and promotions, as well as efficiency. Now, to show you how to update your signature on your Microsoft Outlook, the first thing you want to do is head over to the top right corner over here where you have the gear button, which also plays as your settings button. You click on that, it will open you up to this page. The next thing you want to do is head over to your accounts, click on that, and then you see these following options listed over here: automatic reply, signatures, categories, storage. So you just click on signatures and it will take you to this page. So this is where you can update your signatures on Outlook. You can either decide to create a new signature by clicking on this plus sign over here, create the signature you want. Let's say my signature is DDK. All right, just simply type that over here, and then I'll head over here and then select my default signatures. Do I want this particular one that has been here, or do I want the updated one? So I'll just pick the one I want for new messages, for replies, and then when I'm done, I'll click on save. All right, so this is how you can update signatures. I can come back here to change it from what it was to the new signature, and I click on save. It will automatically save, and whenever I send messages to recipients, my signature would appear on their Outlook email. So this is how you can change your signature or create new signature, edit signature, rename or delete your signature. As you can see, the options over here on your Microsoft Outlook. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope we've been able to learn, and I would see you in the next one. Bye for now.